play some Call of Duty here.
Oh no! Oh, that's a glitch. There's something wrong there.
Are you?
Sir,
Do you
we'll stand still. That's a sign of aggression. You stand? Sir.
Sir,
arrest,
I'm going to ask you to go back over the border.
Well, do I need to discharge my weapon? What? Is that all you know how to say? Excuse me. I could have given you something with more power, Hunter. Yeah, well, let's see more power.
Pull the trigger. Do it. Really? I didn't even get a scratch.
Come on. This game is ridiculous. It's just full of stupid people, little kids, and hackers. Like, what's gonna happen next? Is the hacker gonna come out and kill me? Like, seriously, this is freaking stupid. I never want to play this game.
Hi. Feel free to cry. Feel free.
USA! 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 USA!
Yo, man! You did it! You did it for Canada! You did it for Canada! So, Canada! You lost, German! Oh, wait, you're not even Germany. I don't even know who you are.
Sir, sir, refrain from the border. Please back up. Sir, sirs, I will not ask you again.
Excuse me, you two.
I have very interest in selling you a great package for a very cheap price. You buy or accept? No, you must buy. You must buy. No, it's no option. No option. You must buy.
We have an evolution.
Okay, sorry, I'm downloading, what do you call it? Instagram, Twitter, and all this is my Facebook. Gotta be on my iPod and stuff. So
Thought you already had that.
iPhone 5. Well, I just had the iPhone. Yes.
I give you exclusive deals. Exclusive deals. Exclusive deals. Tony, can I make some popcorn?
Suji. Alright, see, I have some weird party out there at the Italian restaurant. They don't want stupid pasta, they want the stupid popcorn. So you make it. Yeah?
Yeah.
It is very easy.
Yeah.
So you put the beautiful Italian popcorn right on in, you put it on popcorn mode, that's it. And you just open it, and it should be ready. If you do something wrong, it doesn't matter. Nothing really happens wrong here.
Okay, Tony, I will not let you down.
No, alright.